Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. You are watching CSC Guide official YouTube channel. Today I will tell you admission started in Beijing Institute of Technology. Chinese government scholarships started admission in Beijing Institute of Technology. So as I say that I make videos on every university which started admission for scholarship in 2020 September intake. So who students can apply, undergraduate student can also apply, master students also apply, and PhD candidates. So now came to the procedure. What is the application procedure for this? Now it must first you fill the CSC online application form. The deadline is 15th of April 2020. So November 15th 2019 to April 15th 2020 means 5 days ago this deadline has the scholarship admissions has been started. Well, what is the procedure? Now first you fill the Chinese government scholarship application form online portal. How you fill the CSC application form, I will give the link in description of video which I make on this. So select category type B and you put the agency number 10007 and after filling the form, submit the form, download this application form. Okay, and now also apply on Beijing Institute University portal. When you click on this link, and after clicking on this link, click on apply online. When you click on apply online, then you say saw the university portal and open. Okay, the speed is a little bit slow, so that's why it's creating problem. So now came to after submitting the form, upload all the necessary documents in PDF format in this form. How you fill this form, I also make a video on this, and I'll give the link in description of how you fill the Beijing Institute of Technology online application portal. Okay, as I say, click on this link, and after clicking on this link, apply online, and you will go to the on the direct link on Beijing Institute of Technology. Okay, required list of documents which you uploaded on the university portal is first your CSC application. When you fill the CSC application form, you download you will download the application form and upload in this website. How you fill this and how you fill how you upload documents in your online portal, I make a complete video on this and will give the link in description. So after CSC form, first thing, the first one is CSC application form, another one is the notarized highest degree certificate in English version or Chinese version, and notarized transcript of for highest degree. If you are freshly graduated, you don't have notarized highest degree, then you must make a provisional certificate from your host university in which you are graduated. So but if you are in 7th or 8th semester, then make a provisional make a hope certificate for this situation. So and the fourth one is the bit advisor recommendation form. If you have advisor recommendation means I think acceptance letter. If you don't have any acceptance letter or any advisor recommendation, then upload a piece of blank paper instead of at the stage of initial application. So if you don't have anything, then upload a piece of blank paper. The link is still not opening. I think it's network problem. So I give that link in description how you fill the form and all these things. Okay, no, and the fifth one is the curriculum vitae. You must have curriculum vitae, as everyone knows that everyone have own curriculum vitae. So then upload these things. Okay, and the sixth one is the personal statement, which is including academic background and preferred research area and these kind of things. Okay, how you make personal statement is the same like the study plan and research plan, like this. The minimum of 1000 words. So how you make the personal statement, I also make a video on this. You come to on my YouTube channel and watch how you make how do you make a personal statement. And the seventh one is the 2 recommendation letters from your university in which you are previously graduated. Okay, and MBA program must have the certificate. Working internship is also a must. Okay, so MBA student must show the internship certificate and these kind of things. The front page of your valid passport, you must have valid passport. Physical examination form for foreigners. Okay, how you fill the physical examination form. I also make a video on this, and I'll on his YouTube channel. Okay, and now TOEFL. It's the minimum score is 85. If you have IELTS, then apply. If you don't have an IELTS, then apply with English proficiency certificate. So it depends on you. But in case of English proficiency, I have no idea that either they required HSK 5 or HSK 4, these kind of certificates. So for English users, so they must have English proficiency certificate is enough, I think. So other supporting documents such as publication awards and these kinds of things. Okay, so you must this is and the main thing is that this university doesn't have this university have or just online apply. They don't need any hard copies and any other things. So you must online apply. First you apply online, no fee when you are initially apply. Yeah, this so says that when if you pass the initial review, we will email you a membered initial review notice. Then it's the time for you to pay the application fee of 16 Chinese yuan, not refundable. Means if your initial review has been cleared, you pass the initial review, then you need to pay 600 RMB RMB fee. Otherwise they don't have any fee for application. For they never says that if you don't pay 600 yuan for Chinese yuan, then your application will not be accepted. No, they says that you apply, if you initially pass the initial review, then you need to pay the 600 yuan application fee. Okay, and then you go to directly recommender. Means that then you they says that find your supervisor, then they easily have a supervisor, get any supervisor. So this create no problem for you. So and the further step further step is how when they review documents and these kinds of things, all these things they will manage an interview on WeChat. So be prepared for this. Final result will be released through email after the CSE final approval, and contact the blah blah blah, which you want to contact with university international office, then email to them and or call to them. So it's dependent you how you. So means the main thing is that the deadline is 15th of April 2020, and no need to send hard copies, just online apply and no application fee. All these documents are this is the list of documents which they required. Okay, now I hope you like the video. Student says me that make a video on my English is not good, but I will try for those students who don't understand Urdu, Hindi and these kind of languages. So I just make video for them. So if anyone says that your English is not good and blah blah blah, though I don't care. So I will try my best for the students. So if you like the video, then share your feedback, give me the feedback. If you give me the feedback that you make videos in English, then I make. Otherwise I will think about that, either I make or not. So hope so you like the video. Met with the next video. Take care and bye bye.